Standard third subject English 2. Chapter 7, the adverb, kinds of adverbs. 7. The adverb, kinds of adverbs. The old gentleman walked slowly. Sita sang sweetly. The horse runs fast. Children played happily. Now student, as you can see, the old gentleman walked slowly. इसमें verb कौन सा student? Walked. Now adverb is something which add to the meaning of verb. Okay. Adverb जो है वो verb के लिए more information देता है. What is verb? Verb is an actioning word. Walked is an actioning word. Sang is an actioning word. Runs is an actioning word. Played is an actioning word. Means ये सारे verb है. Now कैसे walk करेगा? How the gentleman is walking? Slowly. How did she sang? Sweetly. How the horse runs? Fast. How the children played? Happily. So जो वर्ब के बारे में मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन जो मिल रहा है हमें उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? एडवर्ब. तो स्लोली, स्वीटली, फास्ट एंड हैप्पीली आर एडवर्ब. It will be noticed that the adverbs in the above sentence shows how the action is done. See how the action is done means कैसे action हुआ. How did the old gentleman walk? Slowly. How did Sita sang? Sweetly. How does the horse ran? Fast. How does the children play? Happily. The adverb slowly, sweetly, fast and happily add something to the meaning of a verb. Walked, sang, runs and played. ये सारे verb है, okay, and these are all adverbs. They tell us how the action is done. These adverbs which show the manner in which some action is done are called adverb of manner. किस manner में action हुआ है means तो वो बोला जाता है उसको adverbs of manner. Now most important it asks the question how. Fill in the exercise 1. Look at each picture and choose the most suitable adverbs of manner from the bubbles to complete the sentence. Greedily, safely, happily, bravely, quickly, merely. The bird sang merely. The soldiers fought bravely. The children played happily. Little Anil ran. The hungry man ate. The plane landed. Now look at the answer. Merely, bravely, happily, quickly, greedily, safely. Look at this sentence. Hari came yesterday. When did Hari came? Yesterday. He will come soon. He comes home late. I shall write a letter to her tomorrow. The adverbs in the above sentence show when the action is done. See, कब action हुआ है means time बता रहा है ये. See, time doesn't mean that 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. It can be yesterday, tomorrow, now, then, early, sometimes. ये सारे भी क्या हो जाते हैं? टाइमिंग्स बताने वाले एडवर्ब्स हो जाते हैं. ओके. So when did Hari came? Yesterday. When will he come? Soon. When does he come home? Late. When shall I write a letter to her? Tomorrow. The word yesterday, soon, late and tomorrow add something to the meaning of verbs came, will come, comes and shall write. They tell us when the action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of time. Now जो adverb ये क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि when the action is being done. Okay. Verb के related. Verb पे add करते हैं अपने meaning को when के क्वेश्चन पे उससे क्या बोलोगे आप? Adverb of time. Underline the adverb of time in following sentences. We rise early. You know, first of all we have to see which is the verb. Verb कौन सा है? So we rise early. इसमें verb क्या है? Rise. Okay. So rise verb है. इसके बारे में क्या information दिया है? Early. So early is adverb of time. You sleep late. ये sleep is verb. Information क्या है? Late. So late is adverb of time. You must go there tomorrow. Go is verb. Tomorrow adverb of time. He came here yesterday. He has not come today. She will come soon. He comes here daily. We shall now begin to read. I have read this before. Lately he has become lazy. Come here at once, Sunil. He has already come. See. Early, late, tomorrow. Yesterday, today, soon. Late, never, always, before. Lately, never, sometimes late. Look at this sentence. We looked up. The sky is above. Where did he look up? Where is the sky? Above. He lives here. Here. Where he lives? Here. My mother is going upstairs. Where the mother is going? Upstairs. Now student ये place के बारे में बताया गया है. Place doesn't mean कि हम places के name जो बोलते हैं city के name या country के name. But if you say I am here, I am there, pencil is lying here, she is upstairs, the sky is above. तो ये सारे भी क्या होते हैं place का denote कर रहे हैं कि कहाँ पर actually person या thing है. The adverb in the above sentence shows where the action is done. कहाँ पर action हुआ है where. Okay. Where did we look up? Where does he live? Here. Where is the sky? Above. Where is my mother going? Upstairs. The word up, above, here and upstairs add something to the meaning of verbs. Looked is, lives and is going. They tell us where the action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of place. See, इसको क्या बोलोगे आप? Adverb of place means जगह. और उसका क्या क्वेश्चन होगा? Where. Exercise 3. Pick out the adverbs of place in the following sentence. All the children played out inside. Student first of all verb check करो. All the children played inside. Played verb है. क्या information है? Inside. So inside it has adverbs of place. They all looked up. Looked verb as student. Up adverb of place. The sky is above. Is verb as student. इसके बारे में क्या information है? Above. Above is adverb of place. The earth is below. Is verb. Below adverb of place. She has gone away. Ashok is sitting outside. He has gone upstairs. I have looked for the book everywhere. Come in and sit down. Walk 3 steps backwards. Inside, up, above, below. Away, outside, upstairs, everywhere. In, down, backward. Most adverbs of manner are made by adding ly into the adjective. What is adjective, student? Adjective is quality. Okay. Quiet, quietly. Gentle, gently. Slow, slowly. Exercise 4. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the word given in the bracket. Now हमें ly add करना है हर एक adjective में. Okay. Sun is shining brightly in the sky. Mother shouted angrily at me for breaking a pretty vase. Children waited eagerly for the new teacher to arrive. The girls ran quickly to finish the race. My sister rocked her baby gently in her arm to make him sleep. Let's see the answer, students. Brightly, angrily, eagerly, quickly, gently. ब्रैकेट में जो दिया हुआ सेंटेंस उसमें आपको सिर्फ ly ऐड करना है. ओके. Exercise 5. Underline the adverb in the following sentence and tell the kind of each. हमें underline भी करना है और kind भी बताना है. ओके. Never speak rudely to anyone. How का क्वेश्चन आएगा उसमें. How we should speak to everyone. Nicely हमें speak करना चाहिए. How should we not speak to anyone? So rudely. Adverb of manner. Walk forward and then walk back slowly. Where we should walk? Where का आएगा तो adverb of place. Forward and back. Slowly की quality है student. The teacher replied angrily. Harish is working very hard. Yesterday she wrote her copybook neatly. Servant, please soon come downstairs. He ran back at the other side of the hill. He cannot spell these words correctly. You came here late today. You must come early tomorrow. My brother comes here daily, but my cousin comes weekly. 6. Exercise 5. Rudely, adverb of manner. Forward and back, adverb of place. Slowly, adverb of manner. Angrily, adverb of manner. Very, adverb of degree. Had, adverb of manner. Yesterday, adverb of time. Neatly, adverb of manner. Soon, adverb of time. Downstairs, place. Back, place. Outside, outside क्या हुआ? Place. Correctly, manner. Here, place. Late, early, time. Tomorrow is also time, student. Okay, adverb of time. Daily, seldom, time and degree. Find 10 antonyms. Antonyms क्या होता है student? Opposite of the adverbs given below. Circle the word in the grid. Above, loudly, smoothly, not, early. Downwards, quickly, inside, forward, noisy. Above का below होता है, loudly का softly होता है. Opposite antonyms means above, below, loudly, softly, smoothly, roughly, north, south, late, early, downwards, upwards, quickly, slowly, inside, outside, forwards, backwards, noisily, quietly. CW one time in your textbook, HW two times in your notebook. Thank you.